Okay, here we go. First official test drive of the 2013 Tesla Model S. I got insurance, I got sent in the title, got my temporary license plate, so ready to go. Other than all the other cars blocking my way in the driveway. So over on the passenger side, I've got a temporary window put in there because one thing I still got to work on is repairing the window. And the part that I need I ordered, but it's not going to be here for a few days, showing up in the mail. First thing I can tell you is I definitely like the air conditioning on this car. The second thing is the cruise control stock is exactly where my turn signal is on the other car, so I'm probably going to just hit the cruise control every single time I make a turn until I get used to this car. I like that there's an energy gauge on the dashboard. I also like that there's a speedometer and stuff right in front of me. The newer Teslas got rid of that. They just have the screen in the middle, which, I don't know, feels a little weird. But I'm going to go out on a section of the freeway just to see if this fake window handles it or if it like blows out or something. On a sunny day, the dark leather interior is less than ideal. In the winter, it'll be great. Summer might want some, I don't know, white seat covers or something. But the car accelerates effortlessly. The power steering is great. Pretty strong regenerative braking. And that's with it on the normal mode. And I'd still like to get a roof rack for the car too. It's got some little mounting points to be able to put a roof rack in, and I would love to be able to... Oh God! Yeah, it accelerates. I thought I had non-stick or grippy feet on the camera, but not grippy enough, I guess. This is just the standard rear-wheel drive car, which is like 300 horsepower. But I mean, that's more than enough for me. Some of these guys with the performance cars and Plaid and things like that, I don't know. I mean, it's, if you love accelerating, fantastic. But this is more than enough for me. I'm not going real fast. There's just 55-mile-an-hour road right here. But the temporary window, I don't see any issues with it. It's not wobbling around in there or anything, so I think we're good. I should be able to drive to the supercharger. No problem.
And in the next video, we'll go to the supercharger. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because you won't believe what happens next.